Hey everyone, AMarkets traders and AMarkets partners, welcome you all to daily Forex market update. Let's quickly look at the latest financial development that drives the global financial market. As we are not having any high impacted data, we are starting with the macro market update. If we see the dollar index is trading at a higher level as US forces launch self-defense strike in Iran, that is boosting the safe haven demand for the dollar. Dollar is also gaining support from rising expectation that Fed may keep interest rate higher for the longer period to control the inflation. Also, markets are currently pricing 41% of probability of hike in rate of interest in 2026 and 2027. That is what about the macro market update. Now let's talk about the technical analysis part. If we see that dollar index is sustaining above 38.2 level, also 55 period moving average. If price is sustaining above the same and breaking 61.8 level, we can expect 99.500 and 100. But if price is breaking below 98.800, which is 55 period moving average, and sustaining below the same, we can expect 98.200 and 98 level, which is also a 61.8 Fibonacci level. If you look at the RSI is sustaining above 50 line, which is indicating that momentum can continue an upward trend. So at this point of time, short to medium term trend is indicating that upward trend can continue, but long term trend is still sideways to bearish is there. I have interesting chart is of Euro USD. If you look at Euro USD, it is reverting from 61.8 level, which is a key level. If price is breaking above 1720, also if RSI is breaking above 50 line, we can expect upward trend to continue up to 1750, 1800 and 1850 level. But if price is breaking below 61.8 level and sustaining below same, we can expect 1500, also 1450 in upcoming session. At this point of time, short to medium term trend is indicating make or break level. Long term trend is still sideways to bullish is there. If we look at WTI pair, yesterday we told that if you are a low risk high reward buyer, definitely this is a crazy point for you. This is a very interesting point for you. If you see that price had a low of 92.72 yesterday and price is trading at 95.5, it means that if you entered at this point, there is a very high probability you might gain a 1:3 or 1:4 risk reward from this point of from this level. But if price is breaking below 90 level, which can be your stop loss, or 89.5, and sustaining below the same, we can expect 85 and 80 level in upcoming session. At this point of time, price is trading oscillating in a chart pattern, which is a triangle pattern. If price is sustaining above 90 level and breaking 100 and sustaining above the same, we can expect 105, 108, and above 108 we can expect 116 and 126 in upcoming session. So if you are a bull, definitely this is the best point for you, and if you are a bear, below 90 you can expect a downside momentum to continue. So at this point of time, short to medium term trend is trading at a make or break level. Long term trend is still sideways to bullish is there. Now if you look at gold is rejected from nearby 21 period moving average, and gold is trading at a 4,525, breaking 4,450 and sustaining below the same, we can expect 4,200 and 4,100 in upcoming session, which is a 78.6 to 100 level, 100 Fibonacci level. If price is breaking above 4,600, we can expect 4,650 and 4,700 in upcoming session. At this point of time, RSI is trading below 50 line. Also, there is a bearish crossover. All these factors are indicating that downtrend can continue in upcoming session. Now, if I look at Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin is trading above 75,000 key level, which is a very important level. Why? Because it is a 55 period moving average. Also, it is a 38.2 Fibonacci level. Also, it is trading at a important horizontal support. If price is sustaining above the same and breaking 78,000, we can expect 80 and 81,000 in upcoming session. But if price is breaking below 75,000 level, we can expect 72 and 71,000 in upcoming session. At this point of time, short term medium term trend is still there in upward trend, but long term trend is still sideways to bearish is there. That is what about the daily Forex market update. For this kind of update, stay updated with AMarket. Thank you. Bye bye.